Hey guys, Eitan, welcome back to our channel. So today we are making homemade cronuts. Yes, that's right. We are taking donuts, we are taking croissants, we're going bam, a cronut. We are air frying it. For this video, I teamed up with Chefman using the Chefman air fryer right over here, and we're gonna fry these cronuts to perfection. It is surprisingly easy to make. It is almost hilarious. Okay, right over here, let's just get started. Right over here, I have a sheet of puff pastry dough that I just defrosted, nice and thick. And to be honest, I cannot find my cookie cutters. So all you really need is one thing that's about 3 inches in diameter, any kind of round cookie cutter shaped type of thing, and some type of small measuring spoon. That's all you need. What you're just gonna do, take this, place this on the edge, use a little knife, and just cut around it so you get that perfect round donut shape. Obviously, you have a cookie cutter or a donut cookie cutter, that is way better, but this will 100% do. There we go. Perfect, and now I'm able to make about 3 of these at a time, so I'm just gonna cut out 3. Okay, there we go. Now I'm just gonna set the rest of the dough aside because I'll make some more a little bit later. Now that you have these 3 rounds of dough, all you're gonna do is take a measuring spoon. This one is a teaspoon, which is kind of perfect for it, the size. I'm gonna take that, go over here, and I'm actually just gonna press half of it down in the center like that, turn it, press it down again, and what that will do is just make you that little donut hole on the inside. So you get a classic donut, just kind of rip that out. It might not look great now, but once it gets really nice and puffed, trust me, it'll look incredible. Oh God, I'm kind of bending this a little bit. Not exactly meant to do this, but you know, it works, so that's all you need. Okay, there we go. Now, over here I have the Chefman air fryer, and all you're gonna do is you're gonna take out the bottom. There's this little thing inside of here, and what I'm gonna do, let's just find some cooking spray, spray the bottom. All right, now I'm going to take our donuts and place them evenly spaced on here. There we go. And I'm just gonna take a little more spray, because really when you're air frying, you don't need like to deep fry. That's the whole point of air frying, just a little spray of oil to get them nice and crunchy on the outside. Pop it right into here. Okay, now what's super awesome, you can select the time you want to cook it for and the temperature. We're gonna go a little bit of a low and slow method. So let's choose temperature. We're actually gonna fry it at 300 degrees for about 17 minutes. What that'll do is ensure you get a nice crunchy coating on the outside and a fully cooked part on the inside. And all right, there we go. Now all you gotta do is click the start stop button. And wait a second. Hear that hum? That noise is the fan turning on. Okay, there we go. I'll see you guys in 17 minutes when these are done. Then we're gonna coat them in cinnamon sugar. It is gonna be delicious. Okay, so they are now officially done. I'm super excited. Oh my gosh, look how incredible those look. Okay, be very careful, transfer them onto here. And now, as you can see, the reason that it is called a cronut is because it is like a donut, because it is fried, in this case air fried, but look at how incredible that puffed up because it's puff pastry, and the inside will be just like a croissant. All right, over here I have some melted butter, which is kind of gonna make it even more like a croissant, and all you're gonna do is brush the entire outside of this in that butter. You really wanna get it nicely coated. Okay, there we go. Now I'm just going to take a little bowl. We're gonna add in our sugar, some cinnamon, and let's just mix that together. Let's get a fork, and we're just gonna kind of mix that together until it is fully combined. Obviously, you can coat these cronuts with whatever you like. I just like to dip them in some great cinnamon sugar. Okay, there we go. That is looking good. And now just take these cronuts that we just coated in butter. I'm just gonna add another little touch. Dip them right into here and get them fully coated in the cinnamon sugar mixture. Oh my God, these look and smell absolutely incredible. Okay, there you go. Kind of made a mess, but that is all good. That was how, whoa, what did I say? That is how to make a homemade cronut. Ready for this? We're now gonna cut it in the inside. Look at how incredible that looks. You have that crunchy outside, then you have all those layers of the puff pastry dough. I mean, it's incredible what you can do with the cronut. All right, let's just dig in. I mean, I'm super pumped. As you can see, it is super easy to make your own cronuts at home. All it takes are a few ingredients, some way to fry the dough. In this case, I use the Chefman air fryer, which is a super fun way to not get it super like fatty and oily, but keep that delicious cronut flavor and texture. It is super cool. As always, a link to the full recipes in the description box below. If you haven't already, be sure to click that like button if you enjoyed watching. Comment down below, have you ever had cronuts before? What's your favorite type of donut? I want to know. Let's talk about it down below. I'll be reading the comments and responding. And if you haven't already, be sure to click that big red subscribe button. Like, literally, it's right down there. It's big, it's red. Just click it to be the first one I post new videos. Okay, I'm going to go devour the rest of these cronuts if you need me, because they're heavenly.